Kubota bracket, and we've got an extra piece on the front here to allow for this part of the deck. So what you'll do is you'll place the bracket just like so, just like this, and like always you've got enough room to bolt this down. The catcher will actually tuck up in this little section here, flange pin on, and the catcher will rest against this section. So just like over here with the 22Rs, actually I believe the deck is exactly the same, so that'll just sit on like that. For all you Kubota guys, we've got the this deck isn't as difficult, but you can actually still use this fit up. So you'll probably sit this here and that will mount on just the same. And then one more, the Commander Pro, you might have to go around. So with this one, the discharge flap will have to come off because we don't quite have enough room on here to mount this, unless, yeah, I think it would have to come off, but that's how that would mount on. So one bracket for all the Kubotas, guys. Thanks.